A war of words has struck between Rahul Gandhi and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. PM Modi, while in the rally, has slammed the left bloc and the state government for hindering the efforts of the NDA government while the centre attempts for the development of Kerala and the whole region. He has also said that they want to stop projects of national highways. He has also slammed them for having only one character, nothing left and nothing right. Meanwhile, Rahul Gandhi, who has been fighting from the Wayanad Lok Sabha seat, has said that the main fight is against the ideology of the RSS. He has said that the idea of that India should have only one leader is an insult to every single young Indian person. Let's in fact listen into what both the leaders had to say.
Today, the main fight is against the ideology of the RSS and the ideology of the Congress Party.
ഇന്ന് ഈ രാജ്യത്ത് നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഏറ്റവും വലിയ പോരാട്ടം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് RSSന്റെ പ്രത്യയശാസ്ത്രവും ഇന്ത്യൻ നാഷണൽ കോൺഗ്രസിന്റെ പ്രത്യയശാസ്ത്രവും തമ്മിലുള്ള പോരാട്ടമാണ്.
And I want to explain a little bit about how I see this fight.
ഈ പോരാട്ടത്തെ ഞാൻ എങ്ങനെയാണ് കാണുന്നത് എന്ന് നിങ്ങളോട് ഞാൻ അല്പം വിശദീകരിക്കാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നു.
So the BJP people, the Prime Minister, they say one nation, one people, one language, one leader.
പ്രധാനമന്ത്രിയും BJPയും പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? ഒരു രാജ്യം, ഒരു ആളുകൾ, ഒരു ദേശം, ഒരു നേതാവ്. ഇതാണ് BJPയും അവരുടെ രാഷ്ട്രീയ പാർട്ടിയും പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന പ്രധാനമന്ത്രിയും.
And this is a fundamental misunderstanding of our country.
बीजेपी के शासन में देश तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहा है, लेकिन एलडीएफ, यूडीएफ केरला को पीछे धकेल रहे हैं. एनडीए सरकार केरला और इस क्षेत्र के विकास के लिए जो प्रयास कर रही है, राज्य सरकार उसमें भी बाधा डाल रही है. ये लोग नेशनल हाईवेज के प्रोजेक्ट भी रोकना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि लेफ्ट सरकारों का एक ही कैरेक्टर है.
Well, of course, there you heard it. Meanwhile, joining us at this point of time is my colleague Anand Singh. Anand, of course, political war of words between Rahul Gandhi and Prime Minister Narendra Modi over Kerala. Give our viewers an understanding on this, please.
Yeah, look, Prime Minister Modi during his address today in Kerala has mentioned how the left party were hampering the national projects that included of the highways, whereas Rahul Gandhi targeted the RSS. Some is saying that today there is a fight against its ideology. And while the BJP and the PM, they say one nation, one people, one language and one leader. But he also mentioned that language is something that is imposed from the top. Language is something that comes out from inside the person, inside the heart of the person. And to tell a person from Kerala that your language is inferior to Hindi is an insult to the people of Kerala. So this is how Rahul Gandhi has targeted the Prime Minister while referring to his speech earlier today. And in the last few days, the war of words between the Prime Minister and the Congress has escalated in view of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, as both the parties have released their manifesto promising a lot of things for the youth and farmers.
All right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.